So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to check the latest news of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device, what I want you to do is to select a stock that you're looking for the latest news for. So I'm just going to go to the most viewed stocks right here, and how about I just use the SPY S&P 500 ETF Trust. I'll just go ahead and press on this for demonstration purposes. So if you wanted to view the latest news regarding a stock, in this case, I selected the S&P 500 ETF, ticker symbol SPY. Just scroll down all the way to the bottom past key statistics. Keep scrolling where it says fund composite, etc. A whole bunch of different options. But at the bottom here, it says latest news. So there's this one, this latest news item. You can go ahead and press whatever you want. So this one, you can go ahead and press this one from today. You can read it, whatever the case may be. You can sort of browse for yourself. But yeah, fairly straightforward. This is how to check the latest news of a stock here on Yahoo Finance. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.